That's a 6.
I'm gonna do a 4. So moving on to the next one real quick. Pineapple mango.
Ooh, that'll make it, something taste good. Huh? I'm gonna move Modern Times down to a 7 and Bud Light a 6.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Let's just bring it to something that we're familiar with a little bit. We got the
Good
Mike's
old
Hard. These are so good.
It's very different, but okay, we got it.
It's a tropical drink. Guys, we're gonna have to go to our roots real quick.
Oh, go to the roots. Oh my God, we really hit the roots there.
This is the brand that we really want to sponsor us, but they just don't.
They just don't?
This one. Ew!
Yeah, this is definitely the worst one. I would do it too, but I only have a 1 open, so I have to put a 1 right now. We'll take like 3 minutes to like taste test. Yeah.